Oppo A9 2020, and the thing had a faulty screen. We have replaced it, and now what do you need to know? How to open and remove the old screen. So let's get just right at that. So we disconnect that and then turn the phone. Now what happens is we'll have to hit the back, that's to loosen it. This comes off, and when that comes off, there's always this screw that is holding the fingerprint sensor into place. Open that, disconnect this fingerprint sensor, and then after doing that, unscrew all the screws around the phone, and that should set it free. And then remove the SIM card tray and get in between here and pry this part. Now the next stage would be to apply heat on this side of the screen. Place it on a hot plate to soften the adhesive around the peripheries of the screen. That also helps loosen up the battery, and then the battery will rip out like that. Disconnect this and